We'll guide you through how to make a nether portal with lava and water. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Go and find yourself a lava pool. What you need to do is go and find the side with 4 blocks, and in the third block, place a block like so. On one side should be 2 blocks and the other just 1. Place water on the side with the 2 lava like so. Break the block away to make the base. Break the blocks in it and go and replace them with lava. Now turn to obsidian. To the right, place 3 blocks up and then 1 sticking out towards you. And then over to the left here, place 2 blocks. Leave a 2 block gap like so. Now place a water block up here and then it should go and spill over like so. Start filling it in with lava like so. Keep on going, and as you can see, we now have the frame. You can then go and break that water block and do the same thing in here. And then what we can do is go and use the flint and steel and activate it. You're in the nether. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more. Thank you for watching. I look forward to help you again in the future.